Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Ngiphethe bo BK bayithu. BK no BK phethe wena uBK bani?
Baba lokulata.
Talk to us BK.
Siyabonga na.
Yeah. And wena kudala ungitshela ukuthi every time Pirates mangayenzi kahle ngiyakubona mara maswina angikuboni mfethu.
Yes why?
Why?
Like kune situation enye ne. Like mawune ubaba angasebenzi endlini awulimboni muzi. Even though alokazama. Mara if uyasebenza abantwana bayagijima bafuna ama plastic.
Yeah.
So mangasebenzi no mama uthi uyini lo. Bathu babethu mara wenza.
Yeah.
Umbuzo umile.
Yeah.
Like mina uzongibona like wona benginawo muzi Wednesday.
Boy azange wenze interview Wednesday.
Yeah, mara
uyenzanga bukhona mara ufuna ukukhuluma ngoba siwinile eBK ubone kanjani igame namhlanje asinike umunye uBK so buya kuwe igame yanamhlanje ubone kanjani
No, mfethu abafana badlalile.
Yeah.
Abafana badlalile. It was expected basa dominate and so create chances. But somehow nathi sizifans Messi's blame. You could sense the pressure before the game between the fans and the players, and we need to take the pressure away from the boys and not put them under pressure. You see everything bayenza besheshisa because by this thing the pressure but yeah we need to score goals. I think PhD wakwaitsho lento apha in Mamela. We need 3 points. Goals are going to come. We're creating a lot of chances here. Yeah. If we can not put these players under pressure, there are teams that are going, at least team if best under pressure, could see Urele Fumani Pola boxing. It's not unlike him. He pressure. The team have said less 7-1. But the pressure, because Pola might figure immediately, Funeke Korea, there is pressure. Can Babe Dala be relaxed? Let's see the pressure from Bon. Abesi win 7. Limiwa Rumosa 8-0. The Golden Arrows was 7-1 not long ago. There was no pressure.
You agree with the same sentiment between la PK?
Ngiyabonga. Like sometimes like thina aba supporters ne. Sinalento ukuthi I-pressure kumele siyifake mara sidlala. You understand? Mara if kumele siyifake I-pressure ukuthi enzani lento siyifunayo. Phela Sundowns la mfethu. As deserve ukuthi iSundowns ishinge 1 point 1 goal. Phela 1.1 goal man. Ne? If yabuya ishaya 4-3 bese simekup. Understand? So the only thing kumele siyenze thina singabalandeli. I-pressure masifake ukuthi bazokhona ukuyifaka kwabona. Phela if asikhulumi if thina senzi next iSundowns ishiya nge 1 point man 48-47 2 goals yabuya manje yadlala ngo Wednesday Tuesday mayidlala namarumo Gallants if ishaya 4 kwenzekala sibuela move.
Yeah,
so the only thing mina ngifuna ukuthi ama supporters wethu singawabu ama player ne asibanike ne chance. Everyone has got his own mistake. Even isilungu sisho ukuthi each and everyone is entitled for stupidity. Then there is no way or you have the entitled if you miss out or wena unyaka udira nto right. Everyone will know ne ara hlakanipha. But we have to rekopane re support the team ya rena ne if we thought who is busy then after that okay nama if we kanya re bua busy ke motho pela lena emotionally o dirang. Then after game ras busy last game in adlala sharp this game in adlala bad then nane ke dirang as a supporter gore ke mo uplift momentum wa gore a gono tswela ko pele if na mmereko wa ka ke I am a support there's nothing e ke tlo e dirang gore coach o kenya mang a kenye mang. The only thing if mofokeng o Mr. Ball le nna ke mistile ke le supporters, there's no way o re nka kena ka ra. So life e ka mgo or each and every stupidity have entitled for each and every person have entitlement for stupidity. But you cannot abuse.
I understand that.
Yeah, you cannot abuse. So if even though in the bar, mar if you can allow horot manam ponzara mar bike u bar, then ke hono bona mar ke flow pili 1 2 3. Then everyone was busy after game Bible the highlight. They watch or ne man e mar mo ke flow pili then gitlo improve a guy. Then resondere everyone.
No, Picky Pacquiao. So, Pagania, do you still believe that we're going to take this league?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not gonna be easy. Yeah, it's not gonna be easy because abantu esikhompyutha nabo, I think sebe kick with gear that they normally kick in kuyo. But nabo basazawudlala neteam ezi-difficult because khumbule basawudlala ne-Stelis. Nathi sawudlala ne-Stelis and uGavin Hunt is doing a great job pha. Sawudlala ne-Chiefs nabo sawudlala ne-Chiefs. So I think the margins this season will be very thin in a sense that owenze a mistake uzaba salele move. Singathi lena yethu i-mistake namhlanje, but it's a point gain than the 2 points lost, especially at home. It could have been worse. And again, we created so many chances. It's not as if the game is a man of the match in the so there's still a chance, but yeah, I think ukuwina kwethu kwe-league kuzawudependa ku-unity yama-players ne-unity ye-management ne-technical team nama-supporters. I see it's not a time now ukuthi it's a war now. We are soldiers in a war. It's not a time now to say, hey, why did you release that soldier or what? Let's I born at the end of the season. Now, these are the people we have. We need to go forward with them. We concentrate low. Umabasa yes, but that is not the time now. Now is the time is to motivate. We've got good players here. I don't want to lie. This is a very good team. This is a very good coach. Ba wenze imistake ngoba ku replace umuntu oyi1 sesi ucoach sesiyamthethisa yonke lonto le. I don't think is into right, but ke ukuza question yakho sizayithatha ileague because Sundowns nayo isezawudlala nayo nezinye team nayo.
Yeah.
No, thanks Mapagane abopha.